Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to recover the missing old emails in Outlook in 2026. Now, many times emails disappear due to filters, sync limits, or archive settings, but they can usually be restored. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook in your web browser or on your computer. Once you have done that, hover over to the left hand side, select your email address and click on the option of inbox. Over here on the top, you will see this type of filter icon. So when you click on this filter icon, you will see the list of some tabs here. So in this list, make sure that all is selected. If your inbox was filtered to unread or unflagged only, this will instantly bring back your older emails into view. Next, you can use the search bar here on the top. When you click on the option of the search bar, you can select all of the folders or you can select any of the particular folders in this list. I would recommend you to select all of the folders. Now you can search for the subject of the email or the keyword of that email or the name of the sender. Then you just have to change the search scope, and this is going to help you find even if they were moved. Now you can also check your archive folder. You can click on the option of archive folder and see if there is any email available in this folder. If you see any email which is archived, you can anytime just right click on it and then you can move it to your inbox. You can also check the deleted items folder. Sometimes mistakenly we delete our emails and we forget to basically restore them. So if you see any of the emails or your old emails in the deleted folder, you can select it and move it to the inbox again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.